Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
So your name is Aadil Kareem.
Yes.
And I think that you're already quite renowned.
No, absolutely not.
Absolutely not. So what was the reason that you entered, considering that you may have recited in a prominent position in a few places already?
My father came onto the path of the Ahlul Bayt alayhimu salatu wasalam about 5 or 10 years before I was born. And we actually come from the rural villages of Pakistan. And as Brother Mesum will know as well, there is so much talent in the villages of Pakistan that haven't been able to get the exposure to the wider audience. And I just feel like this platform will give me a chance to propagate their work out to people, because I really do believe that once their work hits people's hearts, there's no way that it cannot have an impact on them. And I know people like Brother Mesum and other reciters are already focusing on that as well, and I want to be a part of that as well.
Absolutely brilliant. I love the sincerity, truthfulness. Please go ahead.
I'm going to try and stay focused on the project. The project is to get the message of Imam Hussein out on the Ahlul Bayt. It's not about getting Aadil Kareem out. It's not about people knowing who Aadil Kareem is. No. That's what I have to stay focused on. A shaitan can always come in your head, but my mission is to propagate the message of the Ahlul Bayt alayhimu salatu wasalam, not propagate the name of Aadil Kareem.
Nare Takbir, Nare Risalat, Nara Haidari, sab milke Nara Haidari. Padda qasida, padda qasida, haq de wali da, padda qasida, haq de wali da, padda qasida. رل کے سنا ہو رل کے سنا ہو نعرہ علی دا پڑھدا قصیدہ حق دے ولی دا پڑھدا قصیدہ ایک عام ایک عام بالے تے ایک خاص بالے او جیڑا خاص بالے زہرا دلالے او جیڑا خاص بالے زہرا دلالے نو کے سنا تو قرآن سنایا سب نو پڑھایا ہو کلمہ نبی دا پڑھدا قصیدہ حق دے ولی دا پڑھدا قصیدہ زہرا دا شوہر اے پیرا دا پیرے زہرا دا شوہر اے پیرا دا پیرے ہو میں کیا ڈساواں کتنا امیرے تحت الصراطوں عرش اولا تک او سارے دا سارا ہو رقبالی دا پڑھدا قصیدہ نعرہ حیدری حق دے ولی دا ہاں پڑھدا قصیدہ.
I would say my biggest inspiration is Ustad Shaheed Sibta Jafar, who is a renowned poet and reciter in Pakistan and was killed by the enemies of the Ahlul Bayt alayhimu salatu wasalam.
I really have no words. So, from the beginning, your humbleness paired with your confidence, that's a killer combo. I mean, today, I think for me, maybe I'm being biased, this was the best audition for me so far. You know, you could tell, maine nara bhi laga diya tumhare liye bhai, salamat raho. I said I was compelled to do a Nara Haidari. based out of his performance today. I think it's just going to get tougher from here, though. The qasida that you chose, it's very well known, so it's easier for you to have a grip on it. Next time you come, I want to see something that we haven't or I haven't heard, and maybe in tempo, so I can see whether you can hold tempo or not. Okay. And I also want to see your lower notes, because you're hitting the high notes amazing. I want to see your lower notes and sustain there.
Ahsant. Ahsant. Mullah Nazar, please.
Well, brother Habibi, brother Aadil, I say that this program all has been made for you. And I will stand for you. Wallahi. Please, very, very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't have anything else to say.
I feel ashamed that you're standing. Please.
Habibi, I don't have anything else to say.
I think one of the best moments for me on a personal level was seeing Mullah Nazar al-Qatari stand up after I recited. I felt very, very embarrassed by it, but it also gave me a huge leap of confidence as well.
Brother Kareem, mashallah, beautiful recitation, the confidence, the strength of your voice is actually really, I can't explain that. Mashallah, you showed the highest pitch of your voice, that is very good, so the strength of your voice, the dimension of your voice. But it was a little bit of a screaming. You could start a little bit, one pitch or half a pitch lower, and then you could see the flexibility of your voice. Inshallah, next round.
But he's expert. You know, when there was very high pitch, he was going out. So yes. he is a very good director, yes. Even. He knows how to use the microphone.
Yes, that's good. And you showed, because when you went higher pitch, suddenly you came lower pitch. That shows your technique. It was very good. You controlled it. If it was any other person, definitely it was difficult.
I think the judges were good. I think they were a little bit harsh at times on other people, but thankfully they were quite pleasant and quite nice with me. So I'll take that.
Doesn't surprise me. You know, the people of the Punjab are amongst the most passionate people in the world. I have many followers from there, but you don't want to get on their wrong side as well. So we're going to really be on your side for now, and really looking forward to listening to more of your stuff.
And last but not least, Haj Mustafa, please.
I just say that, alhamdulillah, that from our Shia community, we have brothers like Aadil. I'm proud today to be part of the show, and proud to say that we have brothers like Aadil and others that are reciting in such a beautiful voice. And like Mullah Nazar said, this is what the Shia Voice is about. Ahsant.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Round of applause, please, for Haj Aadil. Thank you so much.
When I feel all alone,
Aadil, how did you do, man? Nazar stood for you. Are you used to this clapping? It's a bit different.
It's a bit different. It was a little bit out of my comfort zone, but yeah, it was alhamdulillah. But
your high pitch, man, that's one of one.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, you know, it's I reiterate this to everyone as well. You know, focus on pleasing the Imam, not the people. You know, and if your work can get out, it shouldn't be your name that you're trying to get out. It should be your work for the part of the